Shandong Jiaxin Machinery Equipment Limited Company locates in Jining City, Shandong Province, China, which is the hometown of Confucius and Mencius. Shandong Jiaxin covers 11,333 square meters, which is an innovative and high-technology enterprise who can research, develop, manufacture, sale, after-sales service, and trade by ourselves. Since started our business, Shandong Jiaxin Machinery Equipment Limited Company always adheres to be specialized to raise our scientific research level. Now we have more and more engineers and set good relationships with many research institutions. Shandong Jiaxin has been in this line more than 10 years. Now has become a good supplier of CNC plasma cutting machine, CNC fiber laser cutter, laser welding machine, robot arm, and CNC stirrup rebar processing machine, has enough experience to supply OEM products and make customized machine. The flame cutting machine, independently developed by our company, has stable performance and enjoys good product reputation in the industry line. Shandong Jiaxin Machinery Equipment Limited Company is constantly integrating new technologies, new processes, independent technologies, and international support with advanced product innovation capabilities. Now has been at the leading domestic level in the same line. Products are widely used in construction machinery, shipbuilding, metallurgical construction, pressure vessels, electrical and electronic, boilers equipment, and other industries. The products produced by Shandong Jiaxin Machinery Equipment Limited Company are more and more customers at home and aboard. Welcome you to our company.